V1S Pro Jailbreaking operation. V1S Pro supports jailbreaking after version 1.45 version. Click Jailbreak app in V1S Pro. There is an operation guide on the upper right of the jailbreak interface. Click Operation. The instruction on jailbreak is marked here, including the supported models, systems, operations, and FAQs. Firstly, connect the mobile phone and V1S Pro with a USB cable. Then click Trust on the phone. It shows that the mobile phone is connected. Confirm whether the model and system version are available. After that, click the recovery mode, and the phone will restart automatically. Enter into DFU Mode. Note, the methods of entering DFU mode are various due to different models. Users can view the methods for different models on JCID Repair Platform. Open JCID Repair Platform and enter the NAND/P13 interface. Click DFU Enter method, select the corresponding device model to check the instruction. After entering DFU mode, click Start. Currently, there are 3 versions to choose from. There is diversity in different versions regarding to the compatibility of different iOS systems. Users need to select and have a try by themselves. After selecting the tool, click Confirm and wait for the jailbreak to complete. After jailbreaking, users can check factory code. Operations such as accessories identify. And accessories unbind. V1S Pro is updating continuously. More functions will come soon.